two-sided ruler constructions. Well, not actually a construction, just some thoughts about regular pentagons so that I can do a construction later. So here's a regular pentagon, it's called JKLMN. And the angles in a regular pentagon are 108 degrees. Now I'm going to draw in the diagonals JL and JM. This triangle here is isosceles with one angle 108. So the other two angles will have to be 180 minus 108 and then divided by 2. And so that's 36 degrees. So the same reasoning over here makes this 36 degrees. Now this angle here is going to be 108 degrees minus 2 lots of 36, which happens to also be 36 degrees. This angle down here is 108 minus 36 degrees, which is 72 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to draw this diagonal in, which is going to cause this to be 36 degrees as well, because this triangle is the same as this one. And because of this parallel line here, these are going to be 72 degrees, in particular this one. And that's 72 degrees there because it's 2 lots of 36. And what that means is that this triangle has all the same angles as this triangle. And I pop them in like that, A and B. I'm going to pull out that triangle just there and do some reasoning on that. Angles aren't going to be exactly right, but it's good enough for the proof. Okay, J, A, B, N. Now this is similar to this. I'm going to give some names to the lengths here. I'm going to call this one B. Then because of isosceles triangles, this one's B. And because of this isosceles triangle, this one's B. I'm going to call this smallest one here A and this longest one here C. And look, this is also an isosceles triangle, so that's C there. So because of similar triangles, A divided by B is going to be the same as B divided by C. And also, A plus B is equal to C. So when you sub this in and do the algebra, you end up with B being A on 2 times 1 plus the square root of 5. Okay, now I'm just going to cut this in half and focus my attention on this triangle. This distance is half of A. That's a right angle. And this distance is B, which is A on 2 times 1 plus the square root of 5. This angle here is half of 36 degrees, which is 18 degrees. And what that means is that sine of 18 degrees is this divided by this. And the A on 2's will cancel, and I will get sine of 18 degrees is 1 on 1 plus the square root of 5. What that means is if I can make a length of 1 plus the square root of 5, then when I cross-align that length, I will make an angle of 18 degrees by the cross-align arcsine lemma.